Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.